Welcome to eServices Manager, bringing technology and social enterprise together. In this tutorial, we will look at some of the features of the buyer or customer portal in eServices Manager. eServices Manager is the most comprehensive browser-based, localized search engine, directory listing, and business management tool for buyers and suppliers. eServices Manager is a browser-based application, seamlessly connecting local buyers and suppliers in a dynamic virtual market space, enabling both to fully manage the whole transaction process, from the initial order for goods and services from the buyer, the delivery of services by the supplier, and finally to payment for those goods and services. So why would large corporate buyers be interested in sourcing from local suppliers? Well, large public and private sector buyers are keen to source more services from smaller local suppliers, as doing so gives a positive reflection of their organization, whilst buying locally has a positive social and economic impact on local communities. eServices Manager has created a simple yet effective interface that connects budget managers and local suppliers so they can quickly create and send quote requests, monitor quote returns, review and select preferred suppliers, and interact with them throughout the service delivery process. So let us take a closer look at the customer or buyer's portal. Firstly, eServices Manager's customer or buyer portal gives a summary of the user's account. It also lists all existing jobs at various stages of completion. The portal also shows outstanding proposals or quote requests with local suppliers, including any confirmation received from local suppliers that are awaiting review and approval by the buyer. Budget managers can also monitor all supplier invoices as well as any payments made to suppliers. So let us see how a search is made for local suppliers using eServices Manager. John, a budget manager at the local authority, wants to source a local painter and decorator to do some work in a new office block. The cost for the work is estimated at £6,000, so falls below the formal tender requirement level. John logs into his eServices Manager's portal and selects Find Suppliers. John quickly searches a keyword paint. John selects external painting, windows and doors, and then adds detailed job requirements as necessary. John can specify an alternative address where the work is to be carried out. eServices Manager then lists both validated and non-validated suppliers nearest the location where the work is to be carried out. John has the option to select one or more suppliers for a quote, or he can buy from a selected or preferred supplier. He also can review each supplier by placing the mouse over the View Details link. Once John makes a selection, all suppliers are selected and immediately informed by email and SMS text. John can immediately see all outstanding proposals in the Proposals tab. eServices Manager offers unparalleled levels of performance, increased productivity, and makes suppliers more agile. eServices Manager integrates technologies, making it easier for suppliers to receive new quotes, notifications by email or SMS text. eServices Manager will validate suppliers, reducing the risks of rogue suppliers, thus giving more comfort to buyers. As a business support tool, small local suppliers can embrace new technology at minimum costs. Using eServices Manager as a standalone business support tool or an integrated support system that uses eServices Manager's back office support staff to intervene at any point of the transaction process. But most importantly, eServices Manager is delivered from the Internet Cloud as a service. Buyers and suppliers do not have to invest in expensive IT infrastructures, no software purchases, no expensive operating systems. eServices Manager is available from a browser, running on a laptop, desktop, tablet, or mobile phone. For more information on how your organization can begin to use eServices Manager to source from local suppliers, please contact your area representative shown at the end of this presentation.